Health benefits of gardening. Transform your life one plant at a time. Did you know that nurturing plants can nurture your mind and body? Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a therapeutic activity that enriches lives. Studies show that even 30 minutes of gardening a day can boost your mood, strengthen your health, and transform your overall well-being. Forget the gym. Grab a trowel. Gardening provides a full-body workout from digging and planting to weeding and watering. These movements build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance bone health. Plus, the steady physical activity helps manage weight while keeping your heart healthy and strong. Gardening keeps you outside, soaking up life-boosting sunlight. Exposure to moderate sunlight increases your vitamin D levels, strengthening bones and improving immunity. It's a natural way to feel energized and connected with nature, giving your body and mind a happy, healthy glow. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Grab your gardening gloves. The soil is calling. Gardening reduces cortisol, the body's stress hormone, helping you to relax and unwind. Reconnect with nature, breathe in the fresh air, and let the rhythmic tasks of planting and tending calm your mind. Gardening has proven mental health benefits. Planting, watering, or simply observing nature's growth can provide a sense of accomplishment and happiness. The microbes in soil work like natural antidepressants, lifting your spirits while strengthening your immune system. It's therapeutic and science-backed. Grow it, eat it, thrive. Home gardens offer you the freshest fruits and vegetables, free from chemicals. This promotes a healthy diet, reducing risks of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Plus, you'll savor the pride of eating food you grew with your own hands. Think you need a big yard? Think again. Container and hydroponic gardening make it possible to cultivate plants in any space, whether an apartment balcony or a sunny kitchen corner. Start small, experiment, and discover how gardening fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Gardening isn't just a solo venture. It's a social one, too. Community gardens bring neighbors together, strengthening social bonds and encouraging teamwork. Share tips and produce with friends, build lifelong connections, and enjoy the shared joy that gardening fosters. Beyond health, gardening is an eco-friendly act of love for the planet. By growing your own food, you reduce the carbon footprint of store-bought goods. Planting flowers attracts pollinators, boosting local biodiversity, and creating a healthier ecosystem for all. Ready to boost your health, happiness, and environment? Start small, plant a herb or a flower, and let your passion bloom. Gardening is your gateway to better living, so grab your tools and nurture a greener, healthier tomorrow. The soil is waiting. Are you ready to grow?